I know like your mama. Even mama, she got selfish ways. New Israel, cause you're always helping me. What's up? What's up, guys? Good to have you all. It's another beautiful night. Good to see you all. Good to see you all. Mark your attendance. This is a trading assembly. I am trading binary options, and we are on Brent or OTC chart. So let us get into the market. So ready. Yeah, mark your attendance, guys. Let's move. Tell me, how did you spend your day today? How was your day today? Pro Trader Junkies, good to see you. Good to see you guys. Good. It's always nice to have you while you're here. Don't forget to get a notebook because on this trading assembly, we'll be sharing trading tips and also catching up as traders. Structure is bullish. You can see the market is moving upwards. So let's see if we can get any entries already. Jerome, what's up? What's up? It is a say I keep a check. She was a bad man, nevertheless. Guys, good to have you all. Mark your attendance. Where are you watching me from? She was a bad man, nevertheless. Where are you watching me from? Where are you watching me from? Okay, guys, let us first get this pullback entry because why not? Ooh, some things you can't just refuse. Wow. And let's start by. Guys, tell me, how did you spend your day? The week is coming to an end. Let me hope you guys are already hitting your goals. You know how we're doing it. It's a new month, so we are supposed to move with our trading plan, guys. Locked in every day. That's how it should be. That's how it should be. As long as the markets are still here, guys, we are locked in for life. Yeah. So, guys, tell me, did you execute any entries today? Did you look at your charts? And let's get it on. Okay, let us watch for more entries. Let us watch for more entries. I think it'd ever be too much. You be left in the dirt. Let's just stop by. Mark your attendance, traders. Where are you watching me from? This is a trading assembly. You're free to ask me any trading question. You know how we do it every night. Good vibes, top-notch trading tips, all here. Roblox, good to have you. Good to have you all. You are a real pro trader, because if it's not me, then who? Like I can tell my creation where I'm going. Guys, you're already bagging in profits, so if you're ready to make a difference, just stick around. And this is a trading assembly. You're free to ask me any trading question. Let us mind the markets like never before. Theo, good to see ya. David, good to have ya. Your husband would be very lucky. No, actually, even my bloodline is lucky to have me because I'm the only trader in the bloodline. It's not just husband, even my bloodline. I got hummy, yeah, I can chew, yeah. All right. Our souls have closed so well. So let us see if we can get more entries. Guys, I am trading binary options and we are on Brent oil chart. Of course, guys, with trading, remember it's a skill you build, and the more you refine your entry, the more you refine your strategy and your trading skill, the more it's going to work out for you. But also it starts in the mindset. It starts with the mindset. If your mindset is already doubting, then you may find a problem with it. But if you believe, why not? Love your bloodline too. Wow. Well, that's much love. That's much love. Thank you. Thank you, my dear. Tomorrow. Guys, this is a pullback, and at this rate I'm anticipating the market shifting back to bullish momentum. So let us see how it goes. We have been in a downtrend, but you can see the market has pulled back and broken the previous high. So that's a sign of starting to anticipate buyers. So let us wait and see. And whenever market breaks structure, remember, you start anticipating a pullback in the opposite direction. Please don't spam comments. How do I learn? You are on the trading assembly and you're here to learn, so you just get your notebook and you're free to ask me any trading question. And I'll be dropping more videos about my strategy on this channel, so just subscribe if you have not yet so that you don't miss out on anything. I'm the one you talk about. Yes, I have a Telegram channel and there's a link in the description for it. You can join. You can join our community. I want to give me a meal. Take my young niggas want to get murders up. Gotta go give me a meal. Gotta spend half of it on a convertible. Jump at the push on down. These niggas gonna get mad at her. Came up pouring ass. She that nigga take care of my mother. Wish I had a girl sister. CHF songs. Is that you, Hassan? Because you're the only one who wrote me a song. And I listen to it every now and then. It's so beautiful. Feel me now. What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Yeah. Okay, guys, let's move. This is a trading assembly. You're free to ask any trading question. Tell me, guys, how was your day? Did you execute any entries, guys? Did you look at your charts? Because that's how your skill is going to... Oh my God, guys. We take our first L for tonight, but we are really going to... We are not giving up yet. We are going to anticipate a better night. Good to have you all. Good to have you all. Raphael in the building. What's up? I just have 4 years. This is my 4th year as a trader. It's my 4th year as a trader. Yeah, and the only thing I did was to lock in. So that's why whenever you are on this trading assembly, you have to lock in for life. Because the more you lock in, the better it gets. When it's the clinical doctor. Yeah, the day is still young. Let's see more moves. Coffee coming in a character. Yeah, guys, let's move. My strategy is simple. It is price action. It is pure price action. Corruption. Guys, structure is still bullish, so let us get this pullback entry. You know what happens after a break of structure? It is a pullback that happened, and you can see the market has currently broken the previous high, and it traded upwards a little. Then it gave us a pullback signal, and there we are. Cameroon, good to see ya. Good to see ya. What's up? What's up? What's up? How is your day? Traders, first tell me, how did you spend your day today? Did you execute any trades? Did you look at your chart? Because that's how we are supposed to be moving, and our skill getting refined. Bring it over to my place. Okay. Therefore, of writing your trading plan. Tell me, after writing your trading plan, are you seeking to read? And are you feeling any difference in your trading after you writing down your trading plan? Tell me, are you feeling something working out for you? Oh my, Hassan, that's so beautiful. I'm glad, guys, you're seeing results. I'm glad we're really moving, actually. I'm so proud of you. We are really moving. It's so beautiful that we are moving like that. Maybe run like a bio. Raquel, good to see ya. Good to see ya, guys. You're gonna get. All right, nice. Veni Warrior, what's up? What's up? Sanjay, what's up? Rico. The settings for the indicator, it is their default settings. Me myself, I'm good. I had a beautiful day like always. Guys, our account has grown, so let us increase the risk and keep moving. That is the best way you can really trade your account, starting with the little capital. You just keep on increasing the risk as the account has grown. Don't put and don't put a lot of pressure on your small account. Khan, good to see ya. Yellow girl. Oh my god. Gratitude is a massive, yeah. One time day. Cameron, I'm glad. I know with time you're going to start seeing. Actually, with a trading plan and writing about it, the beauty about it, it's going to ease your trading in the mind. And whatever is easy for the mind to process, when you get on the chart, it's going to be a piece of cake. That's how it goes. Trinity Arts, good to see ya. All lessons are offered on the stream and also in my YouTube videos. So this is a trading assembly. You're free to ask me any trading question that you want to know. Because why not? Because why not? Story. Guys, reminder, while on a stream, we are here to learn. Because of YouTube time lag, you cannot really follow my trades. There is a delay because of YouTube time lag. We thank God for the journey, the earning, not just for the plus. Yeah. It's blessing for the marathon. Bassatos for the friends we take over below. One time did sit down in a class and we both there. Yeah, we give thanks to we need and more. We be thankful. Yeah, sellers are really moving the market. Let's see what the market has for us. Shafiq, I am trading binary options, and with binary options, your risk is the amount you put, because remember, with binary options, we just set expiration time. So I don't think what you're asking works here. Wow. We're really moving. Oh. Lose my mind. One time. Kurt, I didn't see your question. Guys, if I don't see your question, please, you can ask again. Sometimes comments move fast and I don't get to see some. So if your question is not answered, you can always ask again. Leo, good to see ya. Okay, let's see if we can get any moves. Guys, my strategy when I'm trading, I only apply price action concepts. And with price action concepts, I mean understanding market trends. understanding market direction, that is, are you in an uptrend, are you in a downtrend, understanding market structure, series of higher highs and higher lows, or lower highs and lower lows for a downtrend. And with market structure, after a break of structure, you expect a pullback in the opposite direction. And guys, like I always tell you, whenever you're looking at market structure, you have to look at candle closure. That makes market structure more valid than just structure being broken by a single week, a candle week. You should always consider candle closure above that break of structure. I'm seeing someone asking about liquidity and volatility. Volatility is basically the market moving faster with a lot of pressure, I could say. Then liquidity, for liquidity, I would just understand it as previous highs and lows. That is the simplicity I can put it if you're looking at charts. But right now I am trading with price action strategy. Okay. Someone asks again, can you tell us some mistakes you were making as a beginner? All right, let me see. But I'm already sharing those mistakes. But okay, let us be trading as I'm trying to remember the few mistakes that I really made, because I don't want to share the ones that I made when I start seeing some results. I want to share the first ones I made as a first time beginner in the market. So let's be moving. I'm gonna get to them, Raphael. When the shots are coming round and around, I drink him, but if you fight to drink crown, you know we all so we had to slow it down. Ready to go, cause it's all last how long. But I'ma chill, cause I know he'll give me some money. I'm at the bar, just me and my hand. Chopping it up with his old last friend. I took one too many shots to the head. Got back to the room, fuck up, put me on the bed. He came alive, I'm surprised he ain't dead. Got it all, motherfucker, through my legs behind my head, bitch. Pick me up, set that ass on the dresser. And pick me up like a motherfucking press. I swear that she changed my whole mind. I turn around and let him meet it from behind. I'ma let him meet it when he want it each time. Make a bitch come faster than Amazon Prime. Yeah. Amazon Prime, make a bitch come faster than Amazon Prime. Make a bitch come faster than Amazon Prime. Can't deny it, even on my mind. Like it older, they get better with time. Every night I'm gonna hit that line. Make a bitch come faster than Amazon Prime. Leo, we are here. Leonard, we are here to learn. Yeah, so while you're on the stream, please focus on learning, and you're free to ask any trading question. Yeah, I saw a quote asking about the time. Quote, you're saying that because of YouTube time lag. Yeah, so while on your stream, just focus on learning and not following my entries because of the YouTube time lag to affect you. You won't be living on your DVD or zero, just more energy than a 3-year-old baby. Quote, I've just answered you. Says Mark, good to see ya. Gloria, break of structure. All right, guys, let us all first lock in. I'm going to get into your question. I'm seeing someone asking about the strategy and someone else asking about understanding break of structure. So let us, in a few minutes, I'm going to get into the can't deny it if you don't mind. I am using the indicator with the default settings. Yeah.
And when I finally got sober, felt 10 years older, but fuck it, it was something to do. I'm living out in LA. I drive sports car just to prove I don't need a big brother, cause I made $1 million and spend it on girls and shit. But you don't wanna be high like me.
CHF songs, good to have you. Hassan in the building, good to see ya. 15 seconds is my expiration time, and my candles are 5 seconds. Guys, we're already moving well. I must say I'm so happy with Ivy's donation contest. All right, Hannah, I'm glad you really like it. And guys, if you want to be part of the donations tonight, there's a donation link in the description. You can use that. Yeah. You know how we do it every night. We are always mining the market with no mercy. So let us move. Okay, guys, let me see all those that are locked in for the strategy. Let me see you comment strategy so that when I start getting into details, you are focused. Hey. Guys, we are taking on pullback entries here. You can see the market has been moving backwards. It has given us a selling signal. So let us capitalize on it. Beautiful. All those that are ready for strategy, please comment strategy. I know you're fully locked in. Then we get into it in a few minutes. Oh my, oh my. Oh, I know a sad song. We don't want to hear sad songs. Okay. Okay, guys, I can see all of you are locked in. So, still thinking of me, just like I know you should. I cannot give you everything. You know I wish I could. I'm so high at the moment. I'm so caught up in this. Yeah, we're just young, dumb, and broke, but we still got love to give. Oh, young, dumb. Oh. Young, dumb. Young, dumb, broke high school kids. All right, guys, for all those that are ready for the strategy, let me hope you already have your notebook somewhere and ready to take in these tips. Whenever I'm on the charts, whenever I open my computer to trade, guys, the first thing I consider is looking out for my strategy on the charts. And I do not complicate things, guys, whenever I'm trading. That is my rule. That is part of my trading rules. Don't to complicate things, because the times I try to complicate things, I would get so much irritated and I end up actually not executing trades. So my strategy is simple, pure price action. It is pure price action, and pure price action means you're looking at the market price movements, then you base on that to execute entries. And you're only going to start understanding a little bit of price movements in the market by understanding first the market direction. By market direction, I mean uptrend. Okay, let us see how our buys go, guys. Yeah, we have to do it. Okay, we have locked in 3+ trades, guys. Here, yeah, with price action, I'm looking at understanding market direction. That is uptrend. Am I in a downtrend? Is it a sideways market? Because, guys, if you are in an uptrend, it's going to be easier for you to either get buy trades, and those are continuation entries, or reversal entries, or pullback entries, and those are going to be sell trades for an uptrend. And for a downtrend, you can either get sell trades, and those are going to be the continuation entries, or pullback entries, and those are going to be buy trades. The other thing I look out for whenever I'm trading, guys, it is market structure. Guys, for market structure, I do not play about it. You have to understand market structure, because now market structure, it's what that's going to show you the turning points of the market. So once you really get to understand it, it's going to be easier for you to actually base your entries on that. Then I refine my entries with candlestick patterns. There are very many candlestick patterns, but me, I just use 3 only, and I just focus on those. With trading, you have to minimize the things that you really look out for. It's better to have 3 confluences that you're consistent with than to have 1,000 confluences that are going to just confuse you. Did you make a video of your strategy? Of course, guys. Already, even my channel has videos about my strategy, and more videos are coming up. So just subscribe so that you don't miss out on any when I drop it. So most of you are asking about the meaning of break of structure. Guys, whenever you are in an uptrend, and for an uptrend, the market is moving upwards. That is the first understanding of an uptrend. And it is making series of higher highs and higher lows. That means the market is going to create a low, then move up, create a new high, then move down again, create a new low, then move up and create a new high. Exactly how you're seeing the pattern right now on the market, on the chart. You can see that the market has been making such structure of highs and lows. Sometimes they are so valid, they are so strong points, sharp points, but sometimes they are not going to be so sharp. So you just have to understand the concept of that. So whenever you are in an uptrend and the market breaks the previous high, that movement is what is called break of structure. So Gloria, you are asking about that. Let me hope you've got it. I just feel like I should do things on my own. Why don't you take 1 minute? I prefer taking this because it gives me more opportunities to get more entries since I prefer to get faster executions with 15 seconds. Ooh. Mm-hmm. Yeah, if you're just starting to trade with it, it's going to appear fast, but if you're used to it, it's going to appear very normal. That's why I'm always telling you guys, be consistent with you have to be consistent with your setup, you be consistent with your trading time, you be consistent with, now for me, I'm consistent also with my expiration time. So if you're doing something over and over again and your setup is the same over and over again, things are going to start making sense to you and trading is going to stop appearing. Damn. Oh my God. Damn. There are some crazy L's here. Okay, guys, let's see if we can get more entries. So you do not have to keep on changing your setups over and over again. I mean, this week you're trading this setup, next week you pick another setup. How are you going to know that this is a setup that works for me or not? So you have to be consistent with something. You have to be consistent with something to ease your trading first of all, and also to justify that it can be used over some time. Cut. Guys, when the market is moving in your direction, the only thing you can do is to smile and watch it move. Hey, nice, nice, nice. I love that. Guys, if you're just seeing trading for the first time, of course, most of the things are not going to make sense to you. But the longer you stay in the market, they are going to make sense. Things are going to start making sense to you. So just lock in. If you've just joined the stream, we're always here every night. So just join every day. Everything is going to be making sense. Quote, my strategy is literally my setup, and it's what I'm from explaining. If you have just joined the stream, keep coming. Everything is going to start making sense to you guys. You do not have to understand everything on the first day you get to know trading. You just have to stick around. Everything will start making sense with time. Yeah, guys, when the chat is when my entries go in my direction, honestly, there's a special smile that comes on my face. Yeah, but also you guys are so crazy. Yeah, sometimes you really tell me nice things and I smile. So it's always in between there. But tell me, I mean, if you're really trading and things are working out for you, honestly, you're going to be happy. That's a fact. We can't handle it. Izu, good to see ya. Knows we didn't come for money, but we don't care. Stone Maybach. Guys, this is a trading assembly. You're free to ask me any trading question. I am trading binary options. Yes, and we are on Brent oil chart, and we are already mining the market. So let's move. And guys, while you're here, don't forget to lock in, because if you're not locking in, then the trading assembly is not for you. Guys, if you're just a beginner trader or you're already a trader and you keep wondering, is it going low or high? To be honest, you do not have to know if it is going low or high. You just have to look at the current price action, and you just base on that and you execute your entries. Because with trading, you can never know no one has 100% certainty that the market is going to go up or down. Even when your strategy is 100% sure, given you all the confluences, you can still execute a trade and it goes against you. That's a fact. That is the That's a fact about trading. You should know. That's why they always say you should have a probabilistic mindset. That is why even trading is risky, so risky because of that uncertainty. No one is sure if the market is going to go up or down. That's a fact. You just have to look at the current price action, then you move with that. So fancy. I'm in the fast lane from Manhattan to Tokyo. Can you taste this girl? All right, let's move. Yeah, with trading, probabilistic mindset is key to have. I'm so fancy. You already know. I'm in the fast lane from LA to Tokyo. I'm so fancy. But can you taste this girl? Remember my name. Trash the hotel. Let's get drunk on the mini. Make the phone call. Feel so good, getting what I want. Yeah, keep on turning it on. Chandelier swinging, we don't give a fuck. Film style, get up to that. Classic expenses, you don't get to touch. Damn. Let us look for more entries. Guys, I'm using all my indicators with its default settings. And guys, whenever I'm using the indicators, I do not just base only my entries on the indicators. I also back it up with my price action strategy, and that's how I move. Think love Hindi, good to see ya. IGGY. Evans, good to see ya. Daniel, good to see ya. Oh, guys. Guys, while you're here, you're free to ask any trading question. $1 billion, you're seeing 88 because I am on a VIP account. Lawal, good to see ya. Good to see you all, guys. Yeah. Rod. What's up, Rod? Good to have you. There is no contender. Touch me. Remember the rain. Let's see. All right, guys. HG Shots, good to have you. I take my trades based on my strategy, which is price action. All right, we're moving. We're moving. Do you remember the rain? Structure is bullish, and currently market has broke structure. So let's see. Guys, whenever I'm trading, actually I am looking at, I really follow market structure so much. And whenever you're trading, you have to also consider looking at the current market structure in the market, because we are following the current price movement. So looking at current market structure should also be in your consideration whenever you're trading. That's how it should be. Remember the rain. No, guys, you should ask the questions. Actually, guys, one thing I remember when I was still a beginner, oh my god, I had a notebook of every time I would be in the market, or maybe for example, now guys, you're like on this trading assembly on my stream, and someone talks about something, I would be taking those notes, so I understand all the questions that they ask or everyone asks. Because if you're just looking at the charts and you're still a beginner, or you're just learning about something new, believe me, you're going to have a lot of questions concerning the broker, concerning the charts, concerning the accounts, concerning risk management, concerning psychology. There are very many questions. Actually, you should be worried if you're not asking yourself those questions. All right, Rod, enjoy. Let me hope whatever you're going to do is productive. So thank you for being around. So to be honest, I understand when everyone is asking their question, because it's always crazy, but if you don't ask those questions, how will you develop your trading skill? Yes, you feel so good in your own skin. I really had a lot of questions. Actually, even now, guys, whenever you're trading, you should also have a mindset, a questioning mindset. Whenever you're looking at the charts, because moments in the market are really unique, especially the moments where you take an L from the charts. You have to look at the chart and you wonder what really happened, especially if you had looked at the charts and you saw everything was in line with the strategy, because in those moments are the ones actually that you learn. When you have such questions, that's how you learn. So they're just celebrating now. Lol. The fight to make every day known to others say, I wanna be like monster. Oh no. Jerome, you're calling me a market maker, but honestly, I have a friend who calls himself a market maker. But to be honest, if you're really seeing if you're seeing results from the markets, yeah, it's a good feeling. So I have a friend who calls himself a market maker because there are those days where he really milks the market. So please. She be wishing from the bottom cause a hundred on the highway. Cause they're looking at me sideways. A bitch too. Loyal to my last breath. That I'm still riding, even when the waves are. Watching every time and you're taking notes, that's how it should be. Where are the shades and bullish headband? Guys, seems like you left the bullish headband. It will soon come back to the markets with me. My candles are 5 seconds and my expiration time, guys, is 15 seconds. You can go off and make some changes because there was an assignment. So please. I wanna sip white Henny in the white Bentley. I wanna sip moonshine by the poolside. Guys, whenever I'm looking at the Keltina channel, I consider breakouts either to the upside or to the downside. And if you get a breakout to the upside, you can start anticipating buyers in the market. If you're just an indicator trader, you can stop there. But since me, I use also price action. I back my indicator with price action knowledge. I can also consider looking at market structure. If it has shifted bullish, then that is like a double confirmation for me to anticipate more buyers in the market. The other thing you can also look out for is candlestick patterns. If you see a bullish candlestick pattern printed after a breakout, that is another signal that you can take bullish trades. And the opposite is true for sellers. If you see a breakout to the downside, you anticipate sellers. And if you just an indicator trader, you just stop there. But if you prefer more confirmations, you can back it up with your strategy. So with my strategy, I look for market structure. If it has shifted to the direction as I'm anticipating it to be in, then I'll start taking those entries. Oh yeah. Oh why, because Nelson, good to have you just on time. Guys, this is a trading assembly. You're free to ask me any trading question. And if you're ready for donations, let me see you comment ready because you can see our queue is already up. Me a the girl in the tied up skirt. Me a the girl in the tied up skirt. Me a the girl in the tied up skirt. Wow, this structure is so bullish. And the market is pulling back right now. You can see we have been trending upwards. So let us get on these pullback entries and see how it goes. Guys, if you're ready for donation, let me see you comment ready. The queue is already up. Guys, donations are for people who want me to trade for them. Yeah, so there is a donation link in the description if you want to be part. And reminder, donations are not financial investments. They are purely for learning purposes. Because why not? This is a trading assembly. You're always here to learn and share. Hey, me a the girl in the tide of skirt. Okay, I can see very many. You're ready? Okay, guys, let us get into donations. Yeah, let us first secure our profits, then we get into it already. Me a the girl in the tied up skirt. Uzi, good to see you, my dear. Good to see you. You cheer me up inside like the 4th of July. Whenever you're around, I always seem to find. Sellers are really going somewhere, guys. Let us catch on the move, because why not? Who are we not to follow them? Okay, yeah, first attempt goes well. People ask me why. Excuse me. Guys, you can see that we are in a bearish trend. And what I've done exactly is to just go with it after a pullback. Yeah, we have caught on a nice continuation. Oh my God, sorry about that. La, 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 la. Someone comment locked in. I want to know if you guys are really locked in. Actually, the market has really been giving us some clear market structure. And to be honest, this is the kind of market that is so easy to trade, where market structure is so clean. It's not confusing, but it's not like always the market is going to be giving you clear structure. So you have to be very mechanical with your strategy, that it can be applied in all market conditions. Yeah, whenever guys you're really focusing on trading, you also have to understand that all market conditions you can survive in them. I say you look good and no makeup. Guys, if you want to be part of the donations, I'm seeing someone is asking. There's a donation link down in the description. You can use that. And if you're having it a hard time, you can also reach out to me via my Telegram. There's a link in the description for it. You're going to be helped. So Shane, let me hope you've got that, darling. Somebody. Yes, and if you donated and you're not seeing your name on the list, you can share a screenshot via Telegram, in my Telegram, for double confirmation. Then you'll be added on the list. They sing along, I say you. Guys, this is our final attempt. Let's see how it goes. Okay, guys, let me see you type congratulations to our first participant. It has moved well for us. Let me see you type congratulations. Uzi, yeah, you can write to me via Telegram. I'm going to get what is really affecting you. Yeah, the singer. And you know how we do it, guys. We move on to our next. Who can make it better? All right, the next person on the queue, fully active. Guys, wish the next person in the queue luck, because as we are locking in, make me wanna die and me. Your enemy. So you wanna play with magic? Boy, you should know what you got. Baby, do you dare do this? 'Cause I'm coming at you like a dark horse. Are you ready for a perfect storm? 'Cause what's your mind? Okay, guys, we are in with our first attempt. Baby. Okay, first attempt has moved well. So you wanna play with magic? Maybe you should know what you're doing. Two more to go. So let's watch.
She's a beast. I call her karma. She eats your heart out like Jeffrey Dahmer. Be careful, try not to lead her on. Shawty heart is on steroids because her love is so strong.
All right, second attempt locked in.
Shot so bad, sprung and I don't care. She got me like a roller coaster, turn the bedroom to a fair. Her love is like a drug. I was trying to hit it, quit it, but the mama so dope. I messed around and got addicted.
So you wanna play with magic? My strategy is simple, guys. It's price action. It is pure price action. Yeah, let us look for another attempt. Okay, we already have a movement in our direction now. Wow, guys, let me see you type congratulations to Hannah. 3 attempts are locked in. Let me see you type congratulations, guys, to Hannah. 3 attempts in. Hey there. Hey there. Hey there. And you know how we do it. Everything goes to the participant because why not? Guys, let me see you type more congratulations. Let's move on to our next. You're welcome, my darling. You're welcome, my darling. Guys, let me see you type more congratulations to Hannah. She's fully active. Good evening, Douglas. Good to have you. Good to have you. You're watching from Brazil. That's nice. Good to have you, dear. Guys, this is a trading assembly. You're free to ask me. You're free to ask me any trading question that you want to know. All right, I see someone from Portugal. Good to see ya. Okay, Shane watching from Caribbean, the Caribbean. That's nice, guys. We are locked in from all over the world. That's nice. Let's move. Hey there. How do I stop blowing my account? By just being disciplined. And you should know, guys, one thing you should know that is you're trading for yourself. You do not have to put a lot of pressure on your trading account. Remember, you're trading your capital. And you know, guys, wherever you get your capital and you put it in trading, you should also respect your capital. So that should be enough reason for you to manage your risk so well and be disciplined for you to protect it. Because how much are you going to keep donating to the markets? The lines you're seeing, guys, it is Keltina channel in Keta, and I'm using it with its default settings. Guys, let us look for another entry. I'm gonna love you. I base my entries, guys, based on the I base my entries based on my strategy, which is price action. Basically, I first understand the market direction. I understand market structure. Then I refine my entries with candlestick patterns. Can you teach me? Of course, on this stream, I'm always teaching and showing exactly what I teach in real time. Yeah, so you can always join the stream. And also, I have videos about my strategy on this channel. You can check them out. And more are dropping. So if you've not subscribed, you subscribe so that you don't miss out on anything. Facts. That's a fact. Until you hate me, I'm gonna show you what's really crazy. Guys, let's look in and see if we can get another entry. Guys, we're already having movement in our direction. Guys, structure is bullish and the market has just broke structure to the upside. You can see the previous high is taken out and this is a pullback here. Guys, whenever you're looking out for a pullback, if you see two big candles that are going in the opposite direction, that is a signal. But if the candle is small, too small, sometimes it's not a pullback, it's just sellers or moving in the opposite direction. So let's move. All right, guys. Type congratulations to our participant, Hireman. Oh my. Please don't come for me if I pronounce the name wrong. Yeah, but you're fully active. I can see you fully active. And you know how we do it. Everything goes to the participant. So guys, let me see you type congratulations. This has also moved well. Boom, 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 baby. Boom, 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 baby. Okay, let's move on to our next. Okay, you're welcome, Harryman. Yes. You're welcome, guys. Our participant is fully active and he's happy it has moved well. So let us move on to our next. Baby. If you want to participate in the donations, there's a donation link in the description. You can use that. And more information, guys, about the donations, you can reach out to me via Telegram. Reminder, guys, donations are not financial investment. They are purely for trading purposes and learning. Well, let us cruise with the settlers. I don't want to see any green card at this level. So let's move. All right. First attempt locked in.
She got the brown eyes,
I'm
caramel
fine,
thighs,
don't wear no wedding ring.
I saw you looking from across
Yeah, really, it is giving us good structure, Cameron. That's a fact. You are a real king, just laying the trading and contest. Thank you, Hireman. Thank you. Lucky Joseph, through the donations, it's how I trade for people. And you can use the donation link if you want to be part. Come south in the border with me. Guys, let us lock in and get a second attempt. Tell me I'm glad I came. I'm gonna be girl. This love is like a dream. Come in the border, be free. Guys, the market is shifting bullish. See this momentum. So let us cruise with it. Oh my god. Damn. Sellers, seems like sellers, it's still a seller's market. Damn. Sorry about that, guys. We get taken out. Sorry about that. All right, I saw someone asking me, did I learn from any course? To be honest, me when I was learning how to trade, I learned from almost everywhere, from friends, from a mentor, from YouTube videos, from just watching streams like now. I learned from everywhere, but after learning and everything, I had to sit down and just come up with one thing that I have to trade consistently in the market. Oh my, this really moved fast into our direction. Let me see you type congratulations to Belenar. Okay, and you know how we do it. Everything goes to the participant because why not? Because why not? Justin. Having a mentor is better than watching streams and courses. I think everything is useful in its own way, as the beauty and the beast. So let's move. Okay, first attempt locked in. Everything is useful in its own way because a mentor is going to teach you their strategy and what they follow, but you may find actually it is good, but it's not working to your advantage. Because me, honestly, that's what I got from my mentor. I really got to know markets, but actually the strategy they were teaching me, I learned it, but I felt more comfortable trading price action as myself. So it's always nice to always get the information out there and you just show up and make the difference. All right, all right. You're welcome, Belna. You're welcome. Guys, all our participants, they are fully active tonight. You're welcome, my dear. Yeah, we just do our best on the trading assembly. We just lock in and do our best. Beaver. Cleaner. That's why, guys, I'm always sharing with you guys. Always be consistent, but because if you are consistent, that's how you're going to really find out what really works out for you as a single trader, not based on whatever you have learned. You just keep on refining the knowledge you have gathered from different traders and mentors and courses and everything, no matter where you learn from, and now you trade with that, but in your own experience or in your own way. Jude, good to see ya. My Decoration time is 15 seconds and my candles are 5 seconds. Until I made you my girl. Okay, we are having movement in our direction. So let's see. Okay, guys, type congratulations. Guys, the best entries are the ones you execute and they immediately go in your direction. That can't. There is a certain joy that comes with such entries that immediately go in your direction. Let me see you type congratulations, guys. Let me see you type congratulations, participants. And you know how everything is done? Everything goes to the participant. Big deal. Every time, and every time I hit my phone, you say you need company. I'm running out for you. I'm a runner boy. 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 No Griselda go off. That's from the lost and went to Bergdorf. Most of these dudes is really tight sauce. 45 special, this is my core. They drop an album, this is my fourth. I push it at night for any source. Drop a freestyle and get these hoes perched. I am burn, they go down my turn. Oh my god, damn. Oh my god, damn. Guys, you have taken a loss on our first attempt and you know how we do it. Let us refund and try again. Let us refund and try again. Yeah, guys, let us try again. Loss as a part of our game. So let us come back strong. Okay, having movement in our direction already. Been around the world, I can't find my baby, things get crazy. Losing my patience, why you keep it waiting? Going through the phases, got me walking out the house all done up. Just in case I see your face and you decide to run up. Yeah, I'm in a different place. I need someone to hold on to. I've been sending up a prayer. Hope your call gets through. Cause my heart beats to your on me. Counting down every We're looking for a real one. Two items locked in. Two items locked in, guys. Let me see you type congratulations. Let me see you type congratulations to Velran. And you know how we do it. Everything goes to the participant because why not? And you never notice. And you even notice. Guys, let me see type more congratulations to our participants. To be honest, all participants, I know they feel good when they get these wins. So the more you cheer them up, yeah, that's how it should be. Let's move on to our next. I'm looking for a savior. Looking for everyone to give into. Guys, you know how we do it. Every night we're always here as the trading assembly. So 8 p.m. UK time. Don't forget to mark your attendance. And you're free to ask any trading question you want to know. First attempt locked in. First attempt locked in. Yeah, let us wait for another entry. Wow, sellers are really moving this. Let's see. Oh my god, damn. Oh my god. Really get taken out. I'm sorry about that. And it's really moving in our direction. Damn. Sorry about that. Such entries are the worst to incur in trading when you get taken out and the market continues in your direction. Sorry about that. Tepram, sorry about that, my friend. Sorry about that. Guys, we are going to continue to sell because the market is still bearish. My money's your money's yours and hers are meant to. Mm. Excuse me, sorry about that. Let us look for more entries. You like 9 to 5 on the weekend. Let me say him my way. Let us wait for a good entry. You know, with trading, also patience is key. Yeah, rushed entries sometimes they turn not so well. And guys, just because patience is key, you shouldn't forget also timing in trading is key. When you see a move, please don't hesitate to take it because of patience. You have to find a way in between patience and really getting the move, because also hesitation is not good when you have to execute.
I hope you learn to make it on your own. And if you love yourself, just know you'll never be alone. I hope that you get everything you want and that you chose. I hope that it's the realest thing.
Okay, let's continue. The market is bearish, so selling in this market, chances of the trades going in your directions are high compared taking pullback entries. So let me see you type congratulations. Let me see you type congratulations.
All I wanted was $100 million in the bag check. Imagine this, a muscle next, it felt like that I had it. Back on the mattress, staring at the ceiling, trying to connect it. That's what it's, I'm making those attachments. I'm talking dreaming so hard, so next it felt like trap day. You know, my step brother used to flip them bags outside the crib like it was trash day. No Kim K, but he back, yeah. But when you get it fast, money slow down, don't crash. With all the drive in the world, swear you still need gas. Look, think about it. Close your eyes, dream about it, tell your team about it.
Guys, let me see you type more congratulations. You know how we do it every night. We don't come here to play, guys. We're always here to secure the bag. Because if you're not doing it, well, then what are you doing as a trader? So let's move on to anything in the face. When you get it out, just remember one thing. Remember, one man can change the world. One man can change the world.
My grandma told me if you write your name in stone, you'll never get the white out. I granted out that black hole and performed up at the White House, standing next to Jim Carrey. We traded stories.
Structure is still moving bearish, guys. So let's see how it goes. Guys, whenever you're in a bearish market, you know how we do it on this stream. We follow that trend. And as a beginner, following the trend is the easiest way you can really trade. That doesn't mean that you will not see pullback entries. Pullback entries sometimes are very risky trades. So it's always nice to take trades that are in line with the trend. But if you see a pullback opportunity, don't hesitate to take it if you really stayed in the market for some time and you know how they move. Because with pullbacks, to be honest, sometimes you can just see a single candle and you start anticipating a pullback, but you know, a trendy market, it's always strong. A trend can continue and take you out. That's why if you're a beginner, it's always nice to take trades that are in line with the market trend, given the fact that trends are always stronger. That's what we're doing. Because why not? And our entry has locked in. Thank you for calling. I'm just thinking about you. Yeah, first entry locked in. Guys, wish hang wish hang luck because we are on him and we are looking for the second attempt. And if you love yourself, then you'll never be alone. That's a fact. You'll never be alone.
Friends with the monster, the son of my bed. Get along with the voices inside of my head. You're trying to save me, stop holding your breath. And you think I'm crazy, yeah, you think I'm crazy. I wanted the fame, but now they come up and use it.
Yeah, guys, wish Hangrel luck. Yeah, let us wait. Okay, we are already having movement in our direction, guys. Wow. Please type congratulations. Type congratulations to Hangrel. And you know how we do it. Everything goes to the participants. So congratulations, Hangrel. You're welcome, my dear. You know that's how we do it, guys. That's how we do it. That's how we do it. And congratulations to all our participants for tonight. Yeah, congratulations to all the participants for tonight. Guys, let me see wish all participants for tonight. Congratulations. Yeah, tonight has moved well, so congratulations to all participants. Yeah, that's how we do it if you're really patient. If you're really patient in the market, entries, they work out for you. And guys, this is a trading assembly. You're free to ask any trading question you want to know. Yeah, we are already here to catch up. Good vibes. Good vibes. Good vibes on the stream and catching up as fellow traders. You can join my Telegram channel and you join our community. Because why not? But I hit them with them prawn, ate the dollar blocks, eat the cake, Benny, stuck on my toes, yes, hitting them home runs. I be like, Losa is already part of the game. Next time better, Tepram. I'm starting to get to know ya. Get a little closer. Just if you want people to talk to Oh, Emmanuel, I've really shared very many key points. Tell me. Okay. The key point I can tell you to take for trading is to be consistent. That is in terms of it's going to help you with your psychology, guys. The more you are in the market, the more you're going to the more you're going to get over that fear of execution. To be honest, it's only consistency that is going to save you from fear of execution. And this, I'm taking it from my own experience as a trader, because sometimes, especially if you are really taking losses, then you give yourself like a week to take a break from the market. Believe me, if you come back to the market, you're going to have that fear. But if you take losses and you still stay in the market, there's a way you're going to overcome that fear, and you not hesitate to execute whenever you see an opportunity in the market. That is my take, and that is really my take about trading. To be honest, if you don't be consistent, guys, results are going to take long to show up. Every day, every day we have to be in the market. As long as the markets are still here, guys, you all know we are locked in for life. Get out in the pros now, in the pros now. You're welcome, my dear. So let's move. Guys, the platform I'm using is Pocket Options Broker, and there's a link in the description for it. I'ma keep my promise, never treat you like a groupie. Calamari, dinners, guy, eerie, raw sushi. To crackers, start from this living on my mom. I can hold you down, be your friend and your lover. You want watching you for Sunday, you want Celine? Top back, trimming money, ain't a thing. See the Gucci wagons in my driveway. Oh my god, we have really capitalized on these buys, and they have moved for us. Steve, good to have you. Victor, good to have you. We the best, and I tell you back on all 5. It's always nice to have you guys. It's always nice to have you guys. You're free to ask any trading question. Tell me, how is your trading journey so far, guys? Do you mind? Locked in for life. Oh my. Close an L there. Yeah, guys, we are locked in for life. As long as the markets are still here, guys, show up, don't give up. Now let me sound like a motivational speaker, guys. Don't give up. I know, guys, there is a phase that all of us go through as traders. That phase whereby you start doubting, you start thinking, is trading real, when losses are really taking you. Please, if you can overcome that phase, do, because once you get consistent and you lock in for life, everything will start making sense. Guys, in terms of charts, what I really focus on whenever I'm trading, it is my strategy. I understand market direction. It is always nice to understand the market you're dealing with. If it's an uptrend, you know how to deal with an uptrend. If it's a downtrend, you know how to deal with a downtrend. Understanding market structure, and also looking at the current market structure. Those things, you have to look at them. You have to focus on that whenever you're trading. And I'm speaking this if you're using your strategy as price action. Okay, guys, it's always nice to have you. Good night. I love you so much. We meet tomorrow, same time, 8 p.m. UK time. Bye.